Sometimes I have trouble falling asleep, but it's not so bad. I don't worry and I don't weep. In fact, I'm glad. Because I get up off my pillow and I flip on the light. I get down off the bed in the still of the night. I stretch and I yawn and then I breathe real deep and dance myself to sleep.
We flop around instead and just a tapping our toes.
Wow.
Before he knows what's happening, he's ready to doze. We're the partners he can count on. Call the boogie with his sheet.
Oh yeah,
We dance him off to sleep.
you guys are terrific. I gently rock-a-bye myself across the floor. I turn and then I tap and then I start to score.
His trusty little bugle helps us spread the news.
That I'm a tapping two taps and I'm a ready to snooze. Time to shuffle off to dreamland, got a date to keep.
We'll dance ourselves to sleep.
We're in our jammies,
We'll dance ourselves to sleep.
and thank you lammies.
We'll dance ourselves to sleep.